So yeah, I'm sure you guys will give already a lot of support. So yeah, it's a little sad. And I'm glad that I had the opportunity to do something, even something small for her while I was gone, while I was resting. Yeah, 1 second, my dad is screaming. 1 second, I'm gonna give me a second. I hope you guys haven't. You guys heard my dad? I hope not. I think he forgot I was streaming. My dad's okay. He's just coughing and having fever. He's just really sick right now. You didn't? Okay, good. I don't care. I don't care much, but he's asleep. I was like, Dad, shh. Yeah, I think you forget about it sometime. This house is really not built to stream. I need to do something about it. I mean, I improved a little bit. Something like now I put something on the wall so that the sounds get absorbed a little better. But it's still not soundproof. So if someone talks outside the door, so my PC is right in front of the door. So if someone talks in front of my door, you guys might listen to it, might hear that, yeah. Pronto! That's my mom. Pronto! My mom talks like she has to scream at the phone, like otherwise people won't listen to her. It's so funny. Ciao ora! Bye!